All right, I have reset, so I followed my procedures, and each bowl is reloaded. It's been washed out, dried out. We've got the same amount of water, the same amount of pepper, okay, as we did with all of the other trials, okay? So now I'm ready. Now I'm at dish soap. Bloop, bloop. All right. Here we go. Kind of shake my hand because I don't want it to fall again. All right, here we go. Oh, okay. Went pretty fast. So I'm going to pause, write down my observations. All right, dipping for bowl B. And I hope you're writing down your own observations and not going by mine because you won't be able to see them. Here we go. Like those went all the way to the, look, all the way to the edge. That is an observation, okay? All the way to the edge. And I wrote exactly that. Pepper moved to outer edge of bowl, okay? Different observation. It didn't do that with bowl A. All right, here we go, our last bowl. Okay, finding some good pepper spots. I'll just put it right down in the middle. Same thing. All right. Moved away. Gonna write down my last observation. All right, so we've finished. Repeat steps 9. Yep. Using dish soap. All right. We've got our observation, so hopefully you've been writing that down. Even though you couldn't do the activity or experiment yourself, you got an upfront seat. All right, so then it says on the Google form, so you're going to finish everything off on that Google form. But you know, while we were doing this experiment, I started to wonder, because scientists will do that. And I don't know, maybe you came up with the same curious question as I did. But my thing was, if I put something on my finger, the pepper moves away. Now, I wonder if it's the cleaning properties of the dish soap, hand soap, and hand sanitizer, or if the pepper's just reacting to anything coming into its environment. Huh. So I'm going to do one more trial. It's not on the procedures I wrote. So if you're watching my video, it's a bonus. Because I'm curious, all right? And that's what starts us. We have a phenomenon we're observing, and then we get curious about it. And I'm curious. So let me go and reset my bowls. And I'm going to try one more thing and see what happens. Okay. So as I said before, I'm curious now. And as a scientist, which we all are, we observe things, and then we make new observations, and we wonder. And that's why at the end of our STEM activities, we always say, well, what would you do different, or what would you try next? Well, the point of this little activity was to see how pepper will move away, like pepper's the germs, and then you had soap, and it's like, let me get away from the germs. But now I want to know if it's just going to move away because I've introduced something other than water around it. So I looked around my house and I'm like, hey, I got olive oil. I wonder if it'll do that. So, sorry for the crazy moving of the camera. I set it up, but I just set up one bowl. This is just me being curious, okay? And I'm gonna, whoop. Of course I poured it on my counter, so please be careful. Yeah, I made a mess, but all right. So the point is, dip the finger, okay? And let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Oh. Well, it moved away, but did it like really repel, like, holy cow, get that out of here? No. Let me try it again. It was kind of like, we're going to give you distance. It's interesting. So, is it that the soap and the hand sanitizer and the dish soap have this repelling, or is it just something new introduced to an environment and they don't know what it is? Pepper's not alive, but so it reacts with it. I'll let you guys ponder that. I'm going to ponder that as well. But we are not done with our experiment yet, because I have left a mess in my kitchen. Right? So, your very last thing that you need to do is to put everything away, wipe everything down, all right? Clean it up, okay? And then go finish off your Google form. All right. See ya.